Age or the process of aging comes with a certain level of responsibility, the majority of which has to do with paying close attention to one's health, avoiding foods that are harmful to one's health, consuming foods that help boost one's health, and participating in physical activities that keep one healthy and active. Although some people may age more quickly or later than others, the general consensus is that a person is regarded to be of advanced age once they reach the age of 50. This is particularly true in Nigeria. Regardless of whatever group you fall into, as you become older or as your age increases in numbers, the cells in your body will also age. Which means that the functionality of your organs, such as your heart, liver, and kidneys, will begin to decrease. In order to achieve this goal, you will need to exclude, either completely or in part, items that are harmful to your health, such as junk food, and include foods on your diet list that has positive impacts on your health. It's possible that things won't go smoothly, but in the end, it will be well worth it. Those who acquire this knowledge early in life are the ones who are able to maintain a healthy lifestyle even in their later years. 1. Beans and other foods high in fiber, such as oats, wheat bread, brown rice, fruits, and vegetables. Your digestive system loses some of its functionality as you get older, which can be uncomfortable. Consuming fiber can help to improve the health of your digestive tract by facilitating peristalsis, digestion, and absorption of food. Beans, which contain amino acids, help to improve the level of protein in your body, which is necessary for a wide variety of physiological functions as well as the health of your skin. In addition to providing fiber, beans also contain amino acids. 2. Banana and plantain. These foods contain a high potassium content, which is essential in the treatment and management of strokes. Consuming foods that are high in potassium, such as bananas and plantains, is one way to help lower the risk of having a stroke, which is something you probably already know increases with age. However, one way to help lower that risk is by eating foods that are high in potassium. 3. Fish is a good source of calcium, which helps in maintaining the integrity and strength of the bones and teeth, both of which naturally become weaker and more porous as you get older. Calcium can be found in abundance in fish.